The coordinates of 3 vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, 7, 2 and 1, 10. Then find the radius of the in circle. Now you see there are 2 points having the same y coordinate, right? Okay, and there are 2 points having the same x coordinate. So better we can make a rough diagram. It will be more clear. It may turn out to be a special triangle, right? Let's see. So if you draw like this, let's say this is the x axis and this is the y axis. This is origin. So one point is 1, 2. So let's say 1, 2 somewhere here. This is 1, 2. Let's call it point A. There is 1.1, 10. 1, 10. Somewhere here, let's say 1, 10. Okay. Let's say 1, 10. This is 1, 10. This is 1, 10. So let's call it this point as B. It is 1, 10. So this is AB, right? Then it is 7, 2. 7, 2. Somewhere here, let's say. This is 7, 2. Let's call it this point C. So this is a triangle. If you look at this, this is a right angle triangle basically, right? Okay. Because AB is parallel to y axis and AC is parallel to x axis. So this is 90 degrees, a right angle triangle. And they are asking find the Inradius. We have to find the Inradius, okay. So we can do in many ways. One way is like, we know that formula, area of a triangle is Inradius into semi-perimeter, right. So what is the area of this triangle? Half base into height. Half base into base into height. What is the base? From 1 till 7, this is 6, right? This length is 6. This length is 2 to 10. This is 8. We know the Pythagoras triplet, so this is 8, 6, 8, 10 triplet. If 6 and by Pythagoras theorem, this will be 10, right? So the half base into height. So half base is 6 into 8. So 6 into 8 equals to R into S. S is semi-perimeter. So S is how much? Semi-perimeter. S is equal to here 6 plus 8 plus 10 by 2. So is 2 3 ja, so 3 24. This is R. 10 6 plus 8 14 and 10 24 by 2. This is 12. So from here R is 2. So we get the answer R. We could have used the formula. You must be knowing that in a right angle triangle, the sides are ABC. Let's say this side is A, this side is B, this side is C. If you see like that, in radius is it will be A plus B minus C by 2, right? Okay, there is a formula, right? Okay, so this is what? So this side is 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8 minus 10 by 2 is 14, minus 10, 4 by 2. So answer is 2. So here in radius is 2. So the answer is 2 for this question. So 2 unit is the in radius. Okay, let's go to the next question. I hope this is clear.